Hello, and welcome to my channel, Live Sweetly. Live Sweetly is a place where I will be sharing everything I know about food, recipes, helpful tips, and little tricks around the kitchen, as well as healthy ideas to help you live your sweetest life. This first recipe I want to share with you is a favorite of mine. It's my breakfast smoothie that is super nutritious with the addition of what I call my Superfood Blend. This smoothie is also filling and can be customized in a number of ways. I'll give you 3 different variations today. So this smoothie is so easy to make, just throwing the ingredients together in the blender, and really that's about it. All the items and products I use in this video will be linked down below in the description box. We're going to start with 8 ounces of any plant-based milk that you like. I love using vanilla flavored unsweetened almond milk, but you can use oat milk, cartoned coconut milk, not the canned variety, or another nut milk of choice. We'll add our Superfood Blend, which consists of 1 teaspoon ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of oats, gluten-free is fine if that's what you prefer, and 1 teaspoon of hemp seeds. Then we'll add in 1 scoop of any protein powder that you like. Here I'm using Orgain's chocolate protein powder. And yes, most protein powders have a serving size of 2 scoops, but we're adding a bunch of other amazing ingredients. So I find 1 scoop is a more balanced amount for this smoothie. Plus your bottle of protein will last twice as long. Then throw in your nut butter, in this case peanut butter, or if you're like me, peanut powder. I absolutely love this stuff. It's packed with all the nutrients of peanut butter, but without the fat and heaviness, and it tastes even more peanutty if you ask me. After that, add your greens. I'm using spinach here, but you can sub kale if that's what you prefer. Finally, slice half a banana and we're ready to blend. The banana adds sweetness and potassium. Blend everything together for a few seconds to make sure everything is broken down. Then pour into your favorite glass and enjoy. This smoothie is a quick and easy way to get a whole lot of nutrition and start your day off healthy and on the right foot. Here you'll find 2 other variations which I love. One of them uses vanilla protein powder and the other one chocolate. And no need to stop here. Use your favorite fruits, protein powder flavors, and nut butters to create your own customized smoothie. Here's a basic recipe to follow when doing this. Here are some of my favorite products that I've used in this recipe. Links to purchase them are in the description box below. So just a little bit about me. I'm a yoga teacher and a mom of 2 teenagers. We're all vegetarian. In fact, we eat a vegan diet, I would say about 85% of the time. Learning how to feed a vegetarian-vegan family takes time, effort, and a lot of learning initially. But it got easier once I had some experience. We've been vegetarians for really about 10 years now, and we've found a nice balance between veganism and vegetarianism. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment on my video if you enjoyed it. And if you try this smoothie, I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments below. Until next time, be well and live sweetly.